A quick crash course. 3 terms you need to understand. Number 1. Social construct. Social construct is any idea that dictates what you can and can't do, or what you should and shouldn't do, and so on. Second, what is freedom? Freedom is the ability to think, feel, and act regardless of social constructs. Third, what is determinism? Determinism is the universal law that any action that happens is the result of another action. Nothing in this universe happens without a cause. If there is no cause, there is no effect. Determinism is freedom.